Here we go. All right, season favorite. We talk about the gungo peas. Just gotta make sure you're not stepping on grandpa time.
Just I can just push in.
Grandpa planted some time around, but this is sorrel. Everybody knows hibiscus. It's definitely a season's favorite here in Jamaica. And Mama G and Sky are harvesting some to make some sorrel juice.
Okay, sorrel is very good for our health. It has antioxidants, that is cancer-fighting agents.
Okay.
It also has vitamin A and C, which is very good for your vision, for your eyes.
Grandma, can you put this one out?
Sorrel gives you healthy blood.
So how do you know when these are ready? 'Cause this is one of the things that I'm not very sure about. Is it?
They are, you look at it, there is a color, it is purple.
Okay.
Almost, your hands are...
And then if you compare it to this one, it's not as, this is more reddish.
Even that one over there. Even that one over
Not
there.
ready yet,
right,
okay.
not
Okay.
one. Yes.
It has to be a deep reddish color.
Yes. Even though you still have some of them that are red. Not all of them are purple.
Oh, and they're ready.
Yes, some are
Is it that they also, do they also open up like this? I just see like some of them are more closed up.
open too.
Have to open too?
Has to open
All right.
to be ready.
All right.
It's closed, it's not ready. And it's small, if it's closed and small, not ready.
So Sky, what do you know about sorrel?
It makes it has juice and it's really good for you. And you're bound to get purple up. Your hands are gonna be purple up. So
for sorrel with ginger makes lovely juice.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So sweet.
You just, so
And
I'm
then
gonna...
the other thing about sorrel, I remember growing up, people used to store it for a long time.
All right.
Yes. Well, I guess some people used to put alcohol in it. We don't put alcohol in it.
We don't put alcohol in
We
it.
put pimento seeds.
Okay.
So ginger and pimento seed. Yes, I'm going to show you when I'm preparing it.
Yes, we're definitely gonna have to show that video, Mama G. So you say it's good for cancer fighting purposes.
Yes.
So it has some vitamins in it as well.
Vitamins A, C,
Okay.
and C.
And it's good for your eyes, like
Yep. Vitamin A is good for your
vitamin
eyes.
C.
Vitamin C is good for your immune system.
Immune system.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you know, so this time of year it's full time,
This one,
cold season. So it's quite appropriate that we have sorrel going on. And you can see these times in between.
Just gonna fill this basket and
So there's,
These are called thyme.
yeah. So you have
seasoning.
different things going on here. Be careful with your steps, guy.
Alright.
This is an excellent use of space. But yeah, so we have a couple of these trees lining the place.
Don't to get dirty up like you're bleeding.
I'm wondering if this could make a good jam to Mama G. Maybe we can look into that. It's like a sorrel
Yes,
jam.
and cake.
Oh, sorrel cake.
Yes, a lot of people use it
Interesting.
to make cakes.
So there are different ways you can use it. I mean, we traditionally use it for drinks, which is great.
Yep.
But you can put in the comment section below what are some other ways that you know that sorrel can be utilized in the kitchen.
You can cut it and you can make it in juice if you want to cut
People
it.
doing their vegan cakes, they use it. They use the sorrel.
Okay. So after you pick it, Mama G, what's the next step? Do you have to dry it?
No, I'm just gonna pick. I'm just gonna
Pick it up.
take it all the seeds, because in here you have the seeds inside the pod with the seeds. I'm gonna store the seeds
for next season.
for next. Dry the seeds and store it for next season.
Okay.
To replant.
Right now, once you take it off the tree, you take the seed out, you just freeze it? and store
Yes,
it and
yes,
everything?
right,
Okay.
right. Or if you want to draw at the same time, fine. But
And you know what else? We can use it for tea. I've had the tea before. So some people use it for tea.
yes, because there's a lot of people doing sorrel tea bag now. You can.
Yes,
Use
yes.
it and-
It does make a good tea. And in some culture, it's a very common tea that they use.
So, see, we're getting a good amount from
Yeah,
one
this is just
tree.
one tree, guys. And she is, I mean, the basket is already full. So, That
Because
is.
it's a small basket and it can be full.
Okay, it can open up.
Yep, it can open up.
All right, guys. Well,
And it can be as a hat as well.
I'm gonna come join you guys reaping now. So
Yeah.
thank you for sharing with us, Sky and Grandma.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh yes, I don't have the mic. For more videos.
You can say that again, Sky, without about the mic, but they can hear it because they're close enough. Don't say
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with more videos of Sorrel.
For more videos.
Yes.
Sky, let's brush them off.
He's moving back.
Brush them off.
And the rain is over for
He's moving back.
Brush them off.
and the rain is over for this month.
He's struggling.
Well, we got some unexpected rain yesterday, didn't it?
Yay! Look like the rain has provided food because the other week.
So, what is this device you're using, Mama G? It's a bit long. I wish
From the umbrella.
okay. I wish it was a little shorter, but it's doing the job though.
Yes, yes. I have some shorter ones, but that's
Okay.
These are the same one we plucked yesterday.
So we are plucking the.
No, we picked it yesterday
We pick it
Oh, yes,
yesterday, yeah.
and
Yesterday.
Separating the seeds
from the floor.
fruit, right?
So we allow the seeds to dry and then they can be replanted.
Please, I don't want those seeds to get damaged.
Okay. The farmer said he doesn't want the seeds to be damaged this year. There's a farmer watching closely the action from a distance.
What's Kayala?
That's the farmer daddy. Papa?
Gee.
Alright, take this one. Take the one.
Okay. So
I think maybe later
yeah, we'll do the draw the sorrel.
and see how you make some sorrel.
Right.
And the
So here we have Mama G doing the final phase of the sorrel process prior to ingesting. So what you doing, Mama G?
I'm just straining off the liquid, taking out the trash, but as you see, it is still red and pretty, so I'm going to pour some more hot water on it. The sorrel is very strong.
It is.
It's very strong.
So you're going to try to extract some more
I'm going to put some hot water on it. I like when it gets white, that the red color go. It's still looking red. It's a lot of sorrel and it's a small amount of liquid.
Yeah,
so here we can just add some more hot water to this.
Extract it.
Right. And then just gonna strain it and put in my sweetener. I don't know what you will use, but don't use too much sugar. Too much. This time of the year we tend to use up a lot of sweets and then we get sick after. So just some people, if you can drink it like this, that would be so good.
That's it. But you can use honey if you wish, or what's the other one called again?
Maple syrup. Or if you're using the sugar, just be minimal. Just use a small portion. Don't make it too
temperate.
Sweet. Right, be temperate.
Well, that smells so good, man.
Sorry, it's strong. It's very strong. It's like medicine.
That's it.
When you drink this, you feel it going into your body. You just feel it like going into your cells. Your body just feel like getting some good medicine. I always like to make my sorrel rich.
That looks rich, Mama G.
Yeah.
Thick. Wow.
So I'm gonna just strain it off.
It's gonna be powerful.
It tastes powerful too.
Antioxidants is gonna be here high in this one. Alright.
I should have used a cup.
Oh.
It's red. Don't want to waste it at all. Maybe we could try the pot.
Show me how that looks like. Look at that. Can't swing it in that, no. There's no space. There's no space to swing it in this thing after. Go ahead and try some of it. That looks so rich, Mama G. How does it taste?
Great.
Oh yeah, that's good.